I was looking for this thing, this plate. Wait, I was supposed to use a So, as I was saying previously, I don't know, my machine started having this issue of, the stuff while you're weaving, it won't be, sorry, I don't know if I have a pieces of something that, so the stuff will be rough. And I noticed this thing here, this blade was not cutting properly. I called someone to help me fix it, like someone that does this. So the person came, did few things and left. I still realized that the stuff was still the same. So I decided to unscrew this blade to go look for it in the market. If you see the waka that I waka because of this blade, I did not see this thing. So and I came online, no, and I came back and I started searching for it online because I feel it's not that I feel, yes, I feel this is the fault because when the blade is not cutting properly, it mix up with the weaving and makes it look rough. Yes, that's what I assume. I don't know. So right now, luckily for me, my vendor had this, one of my vendor online, because I wanted to, I've already searched on AliExpress, eBay, all these stuffs to see if I could get it. But the problem is the time. You can imagine I need this thing like right now, right now, right now. What is this? They put in all this thing. Here. My phone can ya get a channel weed. Channel Igbo can mere order. See, can you imagine? So that it won't lose something. First bleed and the second bleed. But I feel their own is different too because the original one, where did I keep it? See, this original one has I don't know, see how it looks. But this one, I don't know if this is a mistake or this is how their own comes in. But I'll just try it. Let me know. Let me see how sharp it is. Let me fix it with. Don't worry. Let me fix it. Then try the stitches again to see if it's still the same thing. If I remember how it was. Okay. Hey, Chineke. This thing has entered inside here. Let me put this one first. This one is like this. Yep. I don't know if you guys want to see what I'm doing, but I'm coming. I'm coming. Uh-uh. Heat, I'm here. So now I'm able to fix this one, but now I'm confused how this one was actually. Yeah, wait, this thing was like this. Yes. So, I don't want something that if I start sewing now to break. Wait, it was like this, right? Yes, like yes. Wait, let me screw it. Let me screw it. It's like that. Wait, let me tighten it. Then this is where the blade is. If you don't know, if you let me teach you. This is the blade. These two things are the things that cut the clothes while you're weaving. So I'm done with it. I don't know. I made a mistake. I should have added. I was supposed to put this small one first before this one. So I corrected that, and Now I think, I don't know. So guys, it's working well. Like before, when I don't know, I don't have a picture of it, I would have showed you. Maybe I'll attach it in this video, how it was looking rough if I weave before, but now I think it's okay. Bye.